grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason. Welcome back to another daily market update. If you're new on this channel, I do this every single day. We go through the market and I give you my thoughts on all the pricing, all of the news, and today we have got some, you know what's happening. You saw the title and you've probably seen the markets. We've got a major crash happening, except for Doge. Actually, look at that, 10% up, even though it did crash 20% yesterday. Okay, so as you can see, it's just all red. This is what happens. If you don't want this to happen, go to stocks. Stick in the boring ass stock game. Stick in that game if you really want this not to happen. But as we can see, literally everything is down. Solana's kicking around. Okay. Now why did this happen? Bitcoin's hash rate plunges due to an incident closing mining farms. There was an outage in China, and this just kind of proves the centralization of Bitcoin to where like all the hash rate is in China. So like if we look up Bitcoin mining percentage by country, I was on this yesterday for 2020. Look at this. China 65%. So when an outage like that happens, the price falls. Look at that graph. That's crazy. So something happened out there that the hash rates fell like crazy, and that contributed to the Bitcoin crash. I remember watching the price drop last night on Bitcoin just instantly. But okay, so what am I buying in this crash? Well, I'm actually probably not going to buy anything except maybe HBAR. I don't know, because I haven't bought crypto with fiat in a long time. I've been using my profits to flip around, which is actually probably not good now that I'm thinking about it, just for tax and stuff. But we'll see what happens. Theta down to almost $10. Okay. CRO 19 cents. Algorand 10% down. Yeah, every single thing here is a good buy right now. Every single thing. 30-cent HBAR right there. Every single thing. Basically, these are like free gains. Like I see this down, whatever, down 9%. If you buy, then you know that it can get back up 9%. So you'll automatically make 9%. But let's hop into the news. Here's my ultimate guide for when the market crashes. Number one, do not panic sell. Why would you sell at a loss? Doesn't make sense. Number two, hodl and buy more of your long-term holds. Number three, look at these as discounts. Number four, don't check your portfolio. And if you do, look at the number of coins you have, not the dollar amounts. We've got David W right here with a quant graph. Look at this. Now that's kind of a complicated graph, but basically this is showing the Overledger network marketplace. If you don't know, quant is an overledger which connects all distributed ledgers and all blockchains. It's insanity. So check out this article. All the links to these are in the description, by the way, for every single daily market update video. We've got Jeff saying, so the SEC news breaks federal law while accusing and suing Ripple for supposedly breaking the law. So yes, we know that the SEC has been in trouble for not investigating properly, I believe. But this one says SEC loses a battle to win the war. Basically, not over till it's over. What else are they saying here? A different kind of case. So I think the lawsuit is still far from over. I hope we get an outcome this year. I believe we will. Sometime this year, hopefully by summer. I don't know. That whole thing is a mess. But let's keep going. TruthSeek33 says, I find it amusing to think that people really believe the crypto markets will continue as is without regulations and adoption coming in place. Too much is at stake. XRP XLM Moon is the utility bull run. All of the money in the world is at stake. It has already been decided. So I think that all of the money has to get onto the blockchain eventually. So where's that going to come through is what you're thinking about. So I like this tweet right here. It is amusing that people think that the regulations won't come. Moving on to this right here from Kobe. He says LMAO Coinbase CFO dumped 100% of his stock. CPO dumped 97%. And you can see the graph right here from Derek. Look at this right here. CFO dropped 100% of his stock. And also the chief product officer sold 97%. The chief accounting officer sold 86%. What is going on? Like, that's actually crazy. They dumped huge. So I don't know if they bought Bitcoin. Like, apparently $98 million makes Bitcoin move 1%. I heard that from BitBoy. So if you spend $98 million on Bitcoin, it'll move the price 1%. Very interesting. To end it off, I want to show you Gary Gensler has just been sworn into the SEC, which means that I've been watching what he's said in the past about crypto. I highly recommend doing this. Go watch some Gary Gensler crypto interviews, and this is how you can kind of predict what's going to come with these regulations, because he's now the chairman of the SEC. So I like to, I'm currently watching his opinions. Look at this right here. Even it says, Gensler says cryptocurrency needs more regulation than oil. So whatever's coming, it must be big. I think there's like a doomsday type of thing coming where a lot of these shit coins will just get smoked. Like, they won't even be able to operate because of regulations or something like that. But if you're in the right coins, you're gonna survive. And my portfolio is a demonstration of what I think are the right coins. If you haven't seen my updated portfolio, it's actually on my Instagram, which is right there, and it's on my TikTok as well now. So definitely go check that out. Those, if you're wondering what coins to get into, go check those out. Do your own research on every single one. But that is going to wrap up the video. Appreciate everyone for watching until the end. If you're watching right now, I love you. Thank you. Watch time helps me out the most when you guys watch through the entire video. Also, that means you get the entire message that I want to, all the information I'm trying to convey. Many people take me out of context. It's crazy. And I'm prone, like, I've set myself up basically to be taken out of context. Because a lot of the things I say, you could just select a little part and put it out. You got to show the full thing though. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, all that stuff. And goodbye.
Crawl, still can't stop it.